Crypto news today. The news sponsor is Payperless, the safer and easier crypto wallet. Manage your cryptocurrency within seconds. Payperless download links can be found in the description of this account. WhiteBIT will serve as FC Barcelona's official FC Barcelona, one of the top soccer teams in Europe, and the crypto platform WhiteBIT have signed a deal. Up to June 2025, the trading platform will act as the team's official cryptocurrency exchange partner. The soccer juggernaut claimed in an official statement on its website that the cooperation with WhiteBIT will support its business plan and solidify its international development by continuing to be a benchmark both on and off the pitch exchange partner until June 30, 2025. Stc Bahrain, a subsidiary of Bahraini telecom operator Stc Group, announced its partnership arrangement with payment service provider Eazy Financial Services, which will allow Stc customers to pay with cryptocurrencies using their Binance wallet. Nazer Banbeela, CEO of Stc Bahrain, claimed that the telecom operator's move to accept crypto payments reflects Stc Bahrain's strong focus on advancing Bahrain's fintech sector as world-class digital enablers. Despite declining trade volumes and limited adoption of several of its new crypto products, Revolut's chief financial officer, Nico Salovara, is optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies on the financial super app. Salovara said in an interview last month that his bullishness comes despite the platform's crypto trading volumes declining this year, while the platform's crypto trading volumes accounted for 10 to 15% of Revolut's 2020 revenue. A local Nigerian newspaper states that Nigeria will soon approve a law allowing the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies legal, according to Babangida Ibrahim, head of the House of Representatives Committee on Capital Market and Institutions. Despite the present restriction, Bitcoin has a significant presence in the nation. The measure would recognize Bitcoin as acceptable investment capital and amend the 2007 Investments and Securities Act. Give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel.